Good morning to your parents and students. This is Mridula from Zenus International School. Today I would like to explain briefly about MCB Parent Portal app, that is My Classboard Parent Portal app. So firstly, to know about this app, you need to download MCB Parent Portal app from your Play Store. And for your mobile, if it is in your PC, laptop, you need to use the web application. So I would like to share the screen and I would show you the web application today. So here you just need to open the URL as zenuschool.myclassboard.com. This is the URL for web application, zenuschool.myclassboard.com, and then enter your credentials, your username and password, children. So here you can enter your username and your password, and then just click on login. See, children, once you log in, this is the dashboard what you will be seeing. So here you'll be seeing your profile with your student, with your name, then your code and your class and your admission number. So to just continue with this, click on continue to go with the options. And here you could find various options. So here we have communication module, assignments module, SIS module, finance module, admissions module, library, LMS and all. So here we are going to use few modules like communications, assignments, and if you want to view your child attendance, you can just view your attendance. Then the grade book or the term wise report cards also you can use here. And in fee details, in finance you can just check with your fee details, like what is your total fee and your transaction. So here you can check like what is the balance, what is the due amount and your paid amount. So everything you can check here. You can even download your receipts from here. Okay, this is about finance. And here we have the most important thing is assignments. So as from tomorrow we have exams, the teachers are going to post the question paper through assignments. So what you have to do is, children, you have to just open assignments. Okay, and here you can see all the assignments whatever are posted from by the teacher. So here you can see online assignment where you can submit. So here the assignment date is given, the submission date is given, and please remember, you have to submit your assignment before the submission date. If the submission date is expired, then you cannot submit your paper. So for exams, maybe the teacher would give the same assignment date and same submission date. So please see, check that you have to submit your paper within the submission date. So once expired, then you would not be able to submit your paper. And here is the file what is attached by the teacher. So you can just open and see what is the, okay. So here what is the attachment, like whatever the attachment is given. You can open the attachment and then you can click on submit now. So here in submit, you can see you have to submit your answers. You can see a text box, then the marks are given. Then you have to choose file. Now, whatever answers you're writing in a script or in your paper, in your book, whatever it is, you need to take the pics of it. Okay. And you can use your mobile app as well, or from PC or laptops or your tabs. So whatever the pics have been taken, if it is uploaded like in your system, it is saved in your system. Now you have to just write some text in this text box also. Without entering the text, it will not accept. So just write like FA1 exam is completed or submitting the question paper, submitting the answer sheets. Okay. Or the exam is done. So whatever the text you want to write, or if you want to write answers also, you can write here instead of writing in a paper and attaching. So if you're answer is very like only for one sentence or two sentence. You can even write the answers here and just click on submit. You need not upload any file. But if your teacher is asking you to write in a paper or a book, then you need to take a pic and choose from here. Choose file. And you can just choose any pics, like whatever pics you have, you're having. So whatever pic you have taken, you can just open here and just select it. See teachers, see parents, like suppose, or students, if you want, if you have two papers to attach. Okay, so first you need to attach one paper, open, and then again go back to choose file, and then attach one more file. So in this way you can attach till 10 files, but at a time don't attach all the files. So one by one you need to attach one by one. Once the file is attached, then click on upload. So your file will be uploaded. Okay, see, your one file is uploaded. Now choose file and select one more file, then open it and upload. Now, how many sheets we have uploaded here? 2 sheets. Okay. So in this way, you need to upload all your sheets. If it is only one paper, then no problem. If it is more than one paper, then one by one, you need to attach, open and upload it. Once all the papers are uploaded, then you need to click on submit button. You need to click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, you have, so you just uploaded your answers to the teacher in MCB. Okay, okay, is this fine, parents and students? So you need to just click on submit button once you attach your answer sheets and enter the text in the text box, like whatever you have submitted the answer sheet, or if an exam is completed. So anything you can just type in the text box, then attach the file and click on submit answers. So this is what you are going to do with the assignment. And even in communications, like suppose if your teacher is giving any classwork or class diary, so that you can view in your class diaries. Any homework or anything is given can be seen in the class diaries. If any announcement from the school also can be viewed in the announcements. And the main thing is assignments, as you have exams, so you need to be aware of this module. So you need to just go to assignments and then just do like whatever I have shown you here in the video. So thank you, parents, and thank you, students. Have a good day.